Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to install extension in a VS Code. So let's click on this icon, and here whatever extension you require you need to search. Let's say I am interested to install a code runner. So select this, install. It will take some time, and when it's installed then you are able to see this option means it's installed. And apart from that you can install another like Prettier, and I like one more is a VS Icons, VSCode Icons. Okay, so thanks for your time guys. Thank you.